Heavy rains in Wajir district causing significant impact on the lives of the residents. Our reporter Zaina Mohammed will give us more details.
Wajir district is a semi-arid region in Somalia that is prone to drought and flood. The district is home to over 100,000 people, many of whom are pastoralists and farmers. In recent days, the district has experienced increased rainfall variability, with more frequent and severe floods. This has had a significant impact on the livelihoods and the well-being of the local population. Agriculture is the main source of livelihood for most people in Wajir district. However, the unpredictable rainfall patterns have made it difficult for farmers to grow crops and raise livestock. Floods can damage crops and infrastructure. This can lead to food insecurity and malnutrition. Rain variability is a major challenge for the people of Wajir district. It has a significant impact on agriculture, water resources, health, nutrition and education. The Somali government and the humanitarian organizations are working to help the people of Wajir district to cope with the impact of rain variability. I am your great reporter Zaina Mohammed.